So today we're going to discuss about another AI tool that in my opinion is very underrated when it comes to AI animations, anime scenes or anime fighting scenes. It has the dynamic motions, it supports the multiple angles, it supports the character consistency and also the consistent character voices. And this is none other than Vidu Q3. And let me show you some of the examples first, and then we're going to discuss about how you can create full animated movie out of it. As you can see in this example, we have the consistent characters, the video is along with the voice, and the motions are really impressive. And these are a few more high action examples where we have multiple angles, the characters are consistent, and this is already giving a very anime vibe with the dynamic motions. And other than anime, you can also try some animation Disney style of animated videos using this tool. Now let's talk about how to use all of its features, how to keep the characters consistent, voices consistent, and create a new story out of it. First of all, we need the character, so we're gonna head over to the image section and make sure to go to the text to image. And from here we have the image GPT image tool. That is a really good model right now. So just define the character description, what kind of character you want, and here we have our character, so make sure that the character has different angles. And this step is very important because all of your generations depend on your character input. Now there's a really cool feature inside the Vidu Q3 that we can train our character. So for example, if I click on the references, here you can see I have few characters, and if you want to train a new character, you can just upload the images of your character. One is okay, but if you want to upload multiple images, that's up to you. Now just give it a name. You even have the option to choose the voice for your character. So in this way you can keep your character voice consistent throughout all of different scenes. And this is very important because in other video models the character voices are not consistent, even in the high-end high tier models. So we have to choose between the languages. We have different voices, male, female. You can apply the filter. Let's just select any random voice from here. Once we have selected, hit confirm and then hit next button. Now the AI will automatically write the description for your character, and your character has been trained with just a single image. So once our character has been trained, now we don't need to worry about the consistency because in all of different scenes we just have to mention the character and the character will be consistent. And another thing that this model supports is the multiple character sheet. So this thing is very important because this makes our workflow much faster and much easier. And GPT-2 is really good in generating multiple character sheets. For example, we have this character sheet where the assassin is trying to breach the castle and trying to go into the castle. So this was the character sheet, and the prompting method is very simple. Let me show you. If I just click on the recreate, this is our uploaded character sheet and this is our reference image of the character. Well, you don't have to upload the reference image. You can simply click on the reference and click on the character and this will be automatically selected. And if you want to tag your character throughout the video, you can simply type @ and you can select your character. Now regarding the prompting, you don't have to be very descriptive or you don't need to type any lengthy prompt. I generated this prompt using the ChatGPT, but you can even type the simple prompts. And using this prompt, this was the output where we have multiple dynamic motions. Let me just play this for you. And look at the output, man. This is flawless. We have very dynamic motions in this one. The character remains consistent throughout the video. And the best part is that this is generating the videos along with the sound effects. Here's another character sheet, but this time we gave a very simple prompt in a very natural language. And this is the output.
You Sasan? Yeah, I am. Yeah.
So in this case, if the character say anything, the voice will be consistent because we have selected the voice for our character. Let me show you another example where our character is speaking.
I was just curious to see the castle. I don't have any bad intentions.
Now sometimes we need to add the reference from the pre-existing video and we have to take the screenshot of that. So for that, we have a built-in option. So for example, I want to take the snapshot from here. We have the option to extract the frame, and now I can simply drag over to the video wherever I want, I can simply take a screenshot of that frame. If I click on that, you can simply download that. Now, these kind of things are very useful when you are uploading multiple reference images. For example, when you are generating the 3x3 grid, this is very useful as a reference. And we can even upload that frame as a reference. Like in this example, I uploaded the reference image. So now the AI has the better understanding of the environment. So the environment is consistent. So if I play this video with a voice, here is the output.
Your Honor, this man is not guilty of the charges. He's guilty of something far more entertaining.
So these are some built-in features inside Vidu Q3 because we have the option to train the characters, and in this way we can keep our character consistent without even providing a single reference image. But when we combine this with the GPT-2 and the Vidu Q3, the outputs comes out really crazy. Now here is the combined version of that, and this is much better. So if you are tired of paying the high prices to the other models, you can use this model at very low price, but the quality isn't compromised. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out, and that's it from today. See you in the next one.
You Hassan? Yeah, I am.
You are accused of trespassing, stealth failure, property damage, and excessive squeaking!
Your Honor, this man is not guilty of the charges. He's guilty of something far more entertaining. He still sleeps with a nightlight.
It's a dragon safety lantern!